Okay, so Python programming is a programming language which is operated on interpreter, not on compiler. So Python is a general purpose interpreted and interactive object oriented and high level programming language. The Python's source code is published under GNU, that is General Public License, and Python can be used to develop applications, web apps, gaming apps, and enterprise level applications. And we can also model a machine learning app, and we can also do image processing. We can also do the text processing, and we can develop our own artificial intelligence app or softwares using Python.